typewriter, invented by Christopher Latham Sholes in 1867. In 1873, Sholes partnered up with Carlos Glidden to form the Remington Arms Company. They produced the first commercial typewriter, the Remington No. 1, which sold for $100. The machine was a huge success, selling over 5,000 units in its first year. By the late 1980s, the typewriter was obsolete. By the 1890s, the typewriter had become a staple in every office, home, and school. It was the most popular invention since the printing press. In 1914, Sholes would patent the first electric typewriter. Throughout the 20th century, typewriters would continue to evolve, but they would never again be as popular as they were in the pre-computer era. But Sholes' invention did more than just change the way we communicate. It gave voice to a generation of writers and thinkers. It allowed people to express themselves in ways they never could have before. And for that, we will always have typewriters to thank.